Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to see how can we use Canva AI to generate stunning interior design ideas, whether it's for your room, office, or even a full home setup. So let's just get started. Start by opening up canva.com for that, and you can start by opening up a blank page first. Head over to create option and let me just go ahead and create up a custom size. For example, this one right here. After you do it up, you can just go ahead and open up the page available like this. And what you may do is, from your left hand side of your screen, you just need to go over and select this option for Magic Media. So go ahead and use Magic Media AI generator for that. You can use it up and you can choose to generate an image. So here in the section, you need to type in prompt. For example, a modern minimalist living room with warm lighting, something like that. You can just go ahead and type in your prompt, and then once you type in your prompt here, you will be finding the results available, and then Canva will generate realistic interior design made with AI. So for example, let's say this one right here. After it is generated, you can just go ahead and drag and drop it like this, and you can just go ahead and customize it according to your size. So I'm just gonna make it to the whole piece of my design. You can use different elements here like frames, text to build the interior mood board as well. And that's it. That way you can use magic switch to quickly change your layout. You can even go ahead and type in different prompts once again and change your prompts and create up the design that you're looking for. And that's it. That's how we can use Canva AI to design interior in minutes. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and that's it.